Good evening, folks, and welcome to the Contrarian Trader. This is our Contrarian commentary, and this is Bob Desmond speaking with you. Let's go over, primarily tonight, we're going to go over Facebook and how it's setting up, both on a daily and weekly chart, and in fact, we'll probably get into an intraday chart as well. But first, what I wanted to do was go over a couple of inquiries that I had with a couple of trades that I had closed out today, so I'm going to go over them briefly. The first was a day trade. It's SPXS. It's the Direxion Daily S&P 500 Bear Fund. So basically, it puts you 3 times short of the S&P 500. Now, what happened today, obviously, was that the S&P 500 gapped higher. Therefore, you had a gap lower on the SPXS. And I was watching it here while it was testing prior support last seen back on December the 11th, while it traded below the lower band of its Bollinger. The upside on the SPY had gone a bit parabolic. It pulled back, put in a lower high. So intraday, the S&P 500 was obviously going to take a rest. So I decided to buy the SPXS. We traded to the long side. We pulled in a nice swing trade profit on the day. So a good day all in all with SPXS. And plus, we closed out a trade. And at the Contrarian Trader, what I like to do is look for stocks that are hated and we get involved with, and we enjoy the move higher. So we took advantage of the oversold condition on mobile telesystems. Extreme oversold RSI down below 10. We bought it here on December the 15th, near the lows of the day. I saw this morning star formation set up on the 15th, and that's a technical term for those who use candlestick charting. So when you see a morning star, and if you're looking to short a stock, it's an evening star, or if you're looking to sell it, it was an obvious capitulation sell-off, huge down volume that day. We jumped in early that morning. We bought up a ton of shares, and you could see what they did is that the shorts just got squeezed. And normally, I would sell with a topping tail like this, but we still had RSI well below 15. Therefore, the probability of an upside move was fairly good. And sure enough, pre-market, they were squeezing the shorts, and we booked our profits early this morning for about a 30% gain. So a really nice trade. Congrats to our members who joined in. Let's get on to Facebook. Okay, so Facebook daily chart. What you're looking at here is a breakout. An obvious breakout out of a triangle formation, a beautiful consolidation. Now, one might say, you know what, Bob? You may have on your hands here a head and shoulders setup. Absolutely. Left shoulder, head, right shoulder. Here is our neckline. These topping tails on the 10th, then the 11th, and then this breakdown or a breakout point failure, which normally means that you're going to take out prior support, failed. The inverse happened and the stock recovered and then broke out today, and it did so on strong up volume. So RSI is trading higher. I do have my concerns with the overall market. I do believe that the impact of Janet Yellen's statement on Wednesday and into Thursday was really magnified, really overly magnified. I find it hard to believe that this market is just so cheap and technically weak that the market should break out to new highs. I think that what we need to do is consider the seasonality factor as well into any trade decision. So I'll be going over that with members on the market wrap this evening. So we like Facebook. It hasn't broken out above prior resistance yet, but it's looking good. It's looking constructive. Weekly chart. We haven't broken out on a weekly chart, and this is the chart that's really most important to me because we've been range bound for several months now. We've been up at these levels before. Now, for those folks who are not familiar with a breakout point failure, it's when a stock breaks out above a resistance level like it did in early October. But what happened is in the latter part of October, it broke back down into a prior trading range. what you will see 9 times out of 10 is at a bare minimum, you will see a retest of prior support, and many times you will see a breakdown below that support level. So it's shocking to me how strong Facebook is relative to its peers in the market. So the stock is looking good. I'll be going over this stock with members this evening, when we want to buy, how much we want to buy, and when we will begin to add more to our trade. We are not currently long of Facebook yet, but we are interested. Oscillators are looking good. 30-minute chart, let's spend a moment on that. Okay, the 30-minute chart is looking fairly strong. I have a price target short-term on Facebook. I will be discussing that with members this evening. The volume bar into the close is quite strong. Good up volume bar. RSI looks poised to move higher. It's my guess that Facebook will move higher in the morning. Folks, if you're not a member, please, if you're watching this on YouTube, please subscribe to my channel. If you are watching this on my website, please enter your email address. We hate spam too. You will not be spammed. If you're watching this on StockTwits or Twitter, please follow me and share the video if you like it with your friends on Twitter and StockTwits. I'd appreciate that. And members, stay tuned for Market Wrap. I'll talk to you soon. Be well.